What's good, YouTube? It's your Roger Cortez. I'm back in another YouTube video. Today, I have another video for you guys. You see, your boy is back. Your boy is here. I'm making more videos. I'm actually on my computer recording right now. So, yeah, I got my set up now. And we about to watch Flux Apollo video. It's a Bullet Force glitch. And it's new, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Hey. I wonder how did he do that?
I know where we can go, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
Like the music.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
That song is just getting annoying now, man. Oh, I see what he's trying to do. Trying to get in that little. Oh! Man, that old glitch. Oh. Well, what you
I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever.
He edited this.
And it's
He
all you
edited
and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight.
this. Nope.
Come get lost with me.
If he would have kept going through that, that would have been good. If he would have, like, wait. Look, if he would have kept going in that little crack right there, like, right here. If he would have kept going right there, that probably would have been good. That would have been a better glitch.
Come get lost with me.
I still got Bullet Force, look, Flux Apollo. I still got Bullet Force, man. I still got it. It's a glitch coming out too for Bullet Force on me. It's like few glitches I did in one video, and it's coming out soon, so be aware on that. So let's get it, man. I still got Bullet Force, and I think that was you talking to me, giving me your Gmail, and it was like, I think it was you, Phase something, I guess. But let's go finish the video.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.
Wow, whoa.
Just run away with me, darling.
I got a better glitch in that.
We'll get real
Right there.
We'll get real
I got a better one than that, but
just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
hey, he still got a Discord. Now I ain't talk to him in Discord no more.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for right now. But until you guys, it is gonna be until you guys. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. But I'll see you guys when I'll see you guys when I see you guys. But I'm out. Peace.